Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can start making money using your own bike. But before that, definitely make sure to check out my #1 recommendation of making a full-time income from home. So let's start. Okay, so today we are going to be talking about application called Rapido Captain. So what is this app about? So you will basically install this application to your mobile phone. It's free. So install the Rapido Captain app and earn by sharing your rides. So Rapido is India's largest bike ride sharing service. We are the first company in this domain to launch a real-time bike riding sharing platform for users in India. Rapido Captain is a safe and trusted way to earn extra income by sharing your bike rides. By installing these apps, you can share your bike rides within seconds and earn up to 25 Rs per month. So this is definitely a great way to make some extra income. So let's check out features. Basically, it's easy to use. Rapido Captain app is friendly and very simple to use. It's user friendly. So it's flexible timing, offers flexible timing to their captains. They can come online and offline whenever they want. So that's great. So basically, enable my route booking option to get the rides in your way back home. Earnings. Rapido Captain can see their earnings in the app after completing the ride. So basically you will see everything in the app. You can check out your earnings. So payment can be done by wallet or bank as per Captain requirements. So that's very important. So make sure to check it out. You can redeem the amount twice a week once you reach the minimum limit. So that's great. That's a great option. It's safe, and they have even customer support 24/7. That's awesome. So okay, now let's see how to use this app. So obviously you need to install it in your mobile phone. Once you upload the mandatory documents, we'll verify and activate your account. So they need to activate your accounts. Once you're online, you'll start getting orders from nearby customers. You can contact the customers after accepting the ride. You can track the real-time location of the customer. So that's great. So you can check out some other details. What is this Rapido about? Is an extreme product which aims to disrupt the way people travel. So it's pretty helpful. Now let's check out some reviews for this website. As we can see, it's 4.0. That's pretty great for the app. So let's see what other users say about this application. Okay, we have a couple of 3 stars, 5-star rating. Let's check out, read all reviews. Okay, now it has a lot of reviews. Some has 5 stars, some 4, some 3. But you can check out what other people are saying and decide whether this is the app that you can use for yourself. So definitely check it out. It's free to install. Make sure to like this video if you find it helpful, and definitely make sure to subscribe to my channel so you can get other great ideas of earning of different ways you can earn money online. Thanks for watching.